Right, aloha everyone. Today we're going to talk about the phenomenon of worrying. When we worry, we have an idea of what we think or maybe believe will occur before it actually happens. Now, we're supposed to create the reality that we wish. And if we have that ability, why would we spend an inordinate amount of time thinking about what we don't want to happen? Now, we can tell ourselves that we don't like certain things. We can tell ourselves that there are certain experiences that we do not wish to experience again. And we also have the ability to surrender to the moment. When you surrender to the moment, you become a part of the experience. The observer becomes the observation. And you, quite frankly, are one with God during those moments, because God is providing us with the information that we need to grow. God knows what we need. God also knows what we want, what we do not want, what we wish for, what we desire, all of these things. So if you wish to be peaceful, and you learn how to appreciate the moment by simply seeking the truth and the light being sound, then what happens is you are one with the universe. The universe, one sound. And it's a beautiful experience. Now, that doesn't mean that you're not going to have concerns or thoughts of possible outcomes that maybe you are afraid of, maybe you are unsure, maybe you are uncertain, and that's okay. All of those types of things or thoughts become your reality in the moment because you draw that energy to you. It is a process. It's a learning process. You're learning how to learn. You're learning how to process information, even as we speak, because you're listening to me, who is simply sharing some information that I know to be true. So, with that in mind, think about your way of being and just simply be sound.